Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, our dry stretch of weather will come to an end by the end of the week and the weekend. Let's break down those chances, shall we? You can see it's about a 10% chance of showers or thunderstorms today, and I think most of us will miss out on those altogether. Tomorrow we're up to 50%, and then on Saturday about a 70% chance of some showers or storms. We'll detail your Saturday forecast coming up in just a few minutes. First, though, no showers showing up right now on live Pinpoint Doppler 12, so that is very nice to see. It's also nice to see this, the sunshine. Now, it's a very steamy day out there. The temperature is 82. The dew point is up there in the low 70s. Winds are out of the southeast at 10 miles an hour. I'm going to break down that dew point forecast coming up at the conclusion of this exciting weather presentation, because I want to explain when we'll finally get some relief from the humidity. It's going to take a few days to get through the very muggy conditions. 82 right now in New Bedford, 76 with some onshore breezes in Newport, and right now we are 78 in Westerly. On the satellite picture, we have a disturbance stalled off to our west, and that's where most of the showers will stay today. There's a slight chance a few could slip here into southern New England, but I think most of the afternoon is dry and quite warm. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we're up to 83 degrees. Perhaps a few cumulus clouds bubbling up by the late afternoon, 86 by 3 o'clock, and by 5 p.m. we're at 82 degrees. It's the type of afternoon where you may be wishing for some of these clouds to break up some of the heat. Now, as we take you down to the south coast, temperatures in the upper 70s in places like Newport, winds out of the south at around 5 to 10 miles an hour. Westerly is up to 82, and Charlestown seeing a high temperature of 83. Mid to upper 80s here for northern Rhode Island, 87 for Burrillville, 87 Scituate, and Johnston gets up to 86 degrees. And for eastern Massachusetts, temperatures also in the mid to upper 80s. New Bedford pretty warm with a high temperature of 85. A little cooler out on the Cape with highs in the low 80s. 79 in Middletown and 79 in Little Compton. Now, taking a look at your beach forecast, a little bit of a temperature drop into the afternoon as some of those onshore winds start to push in some of those cooler breezes. So temperatures into the upper 70s. All in all, a pretty nice beach day. And out on the water, winds out of the south at 5 to 15 knots. High tide on the way at 1:52 in the afternoon. All right, we have 3 separate systems we're watching right now in terms of tropical weather. This is Ernesto. We have 2 out in the Atlantic. This one, not a very big chance of turning into anything significant. This one has a slightly bigger chance, but of course this is still over 1,000 miles away, so a little too early to get alarmed about that one. Now, I want to detail what's going to happen in terms of our mugginess factor the next several days, and here's how it's going to break down. You can see around 70 degrees all the way through Saturday. So that's today, tomorrow, Saturday. We finally start to break up the mugginess a little bit by Sunday afternoon with a dew point of 64 degrees. And then on Monday, there's your payoff day. So if you're holding off on doing the yard work because you don't like the humidity, Monday perhaps is your day. It's more comfortable at that point. Now on Saturday, showers and storms likely, and also a pretty good chance of showers and storms tomorrow. Neither day is a washout, but some heavy rain is possible. Then on Monday, 84 degrees. Sunday, I'm thinking maybe a morning shower. I think Sunday afternoon looks okay with a high of 84. So Sunday, the better half of the 2 weekend days. So not a washout the entire weekend. And of course, if you're out and about this weekend, you can take all of our exciting apps with you. You can track some of those showers as you're outside enjoying yourself. So at least we have some nice weather for the game tonight, just a little bit on the sticky side, and go Pats.